Hey there, second grade families. Miss Ledesma here with a little update on your child's grade tab in the AM attendance course. As a little reminder, if you would like to view your child's missing assignments, you can find it right here under grades in the AM attendance course. This is from trimester 1. I can't delete this, I guess, so just hide it. Hit the caret key right here and it'll hide all of trimester 1 assignments. Those are no longer affecting your child's grade. Right here is trimester 2 graded assignments. Here are all of the assignments that will be taken into your child's report card and used to affect their grades. These are all of the assignments that I will be using as a grade, and that is why they are here under graded assignments. However, as you may have already noticed, not all of the assignments that I post are listed here. So there are some assignments that may be missing, but I am not taking for a grade. Those are just practice assignments. So far, I have not had a way for you guys to be able to see this, but now I do. So if you press the caret key on the trimester 2 graded assignments, at the very bottom is ungraded trimester 2 practice assignments. These are worksheets that, as the title says, are just practice. They do not affect your child's grade. So you might want to start checking here if you would like them to stay on top of practice assignments. Practice makes perfect. It's very important for them to do these assignments as well, even though they are not being taken into account for report cards. However, I wanted to do this just because COVID is crazy and tough on all of us, and I know a lot of parents right now are, and I'm not a parent, but I'm having a rough time with COVID as well. And sometimes we just need to do what needs to be done. So I'm showing you that here trimester 2 graded assignments are the things that need to be done. Ungraded trimester 2 practice assignments are things that should be done but aren't a necessity. They do not affect your child's grade. I highly encourage that these assignments get done as well, but sometimes you just got to do what you can do, and sometimes that's just what needs to be done. So these are the only assignments that you really need to worry about, are the trimester 2 graded assignments. If you are interested in whether your child is staying on top of completing practice assignments, you can find them here under ungraded trimester 2 practice assignments. They look exactly the same. So you guys have been amazing. Thank you for going above and beyond with helping your kids do science experiments and helping them just with their everyday work. It means the world. If you have any questions about any of this, please shoot me a message. I'd love to chat. Thanks and have a great night. Bye-bye.